Grade 4 Matatag Curriculum, Episode 5, Quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. The sum of its angles is 360 degrees. Yes, we all know na ang quadrilateral ay may 4 na sides, 4 na vertices, at 4 na angles. At pag pinagsama-sama natin yung kanyang mga degrees ng angles niya ay 360 degrees yon. So, example natin. So as you can see, all of these figures or polygons have 4 sides. So lahat yan ay quadrilaterals. How do we name a quadrilateral? So paano ba natin sila pinapangalanan? So we name a quadrilateral based on its vertices. So base sa kanyang mga vertices or mga sulok. We do it clockwise or counterclockwise starting from any vertex. So eto yan. So meron tayo dyang dalawang example ng quadrilateral. So how do we name them? So yan yung tinatawag na clockwise and then counterclockwise. Basta sunod-sunod yung vertices. Hindi pwedeng mag-skip papunta dun sa kabila or yung ka-diagonal or ka-opposite. Have an example. So we have this quadrilateral. So ang vertices niya ay A, D, C, at B. So i-name natin siya clockwise. So we have quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral BCDA, quadrilateral CDAB, and quadrilateral DABC. So lahat yan pwedeng gamitin para i-name ang quadrilateral na ito. So bawal po yung pa-diagonal yung paggamit ng letters o ng vertices. Halimbawa ACBD o kaya ACDB. So bawal po yung nagja-jump sa opposite vertex. So sa counterclockwise man po, we have quadrilateral ADCB, DCBA or quadrilateral DCBA, quadrilateral CBAD, and quadrilateral BADC. So yung 8 po na yan ay pwede natin gamitin para i-name ang example quadrilateral natin. So we have again this quadrilateral ABCD. So meron tayo ditong vertex A to vertex C. So if we draw a line segment from vertex A to vertex C, ayan. So ang tawag natin doon ay diagonal AC or diagonal CA. Another, from vertex D to vertex B equals, we have diagonal DB or diagonal BD. So ano nga ba ang diagonal? So ang diagonal, it is a line segment that connects the two opposite vertices of a rectangle. So nakikita nyo po, pinagkokonekta niya yung magka-opposite o magkabaliktad na vertices ng isang rectangle. And a diagonal divides a quadrilateral into two triangles. So mapapansin niyo, bawat diagonal hinahati niya ang isang quadrilateral into two triangles. So math vocabulary po tayo. We have quadrilateral, a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. And a diagonal, it is a line segment that joins two opposite vertices of a quadrilateral. So, yun lamang po. Thank you very much for watching and God bless.